Hi everybody, Steve Bergen here, and there I am standing on the 33rd floor of the building where I live, and you can kind of see the New York City background behind us. But what we're about to do is create a Google Drive presentation that's going to include one page on each of you. So I am going to my drive, I'm going to create, I'm going to presentation, and I am going to pick something interesting, but you can change it because you're going to have access to it. So I'll pick that blue one right there. And what I want to do is design an info card that you're all going to enter. So over here, I'm going to move where it says title, and this is where you're going to put your name. So I will put this up here, and I will type with a text box, and I'll type the word name here, and I probably should make that an offsetting color to be visible. Great, so your name is going to go up top, and then over here is going to be your city and school information. So we will take this and clone that, and that's city, state, and school. I cloned it just by holding down a button, which is different depending on whether you're using a Mac or a PC, but that's the clone button. And now we would like to know your favorite YouTube video. So I will come here again on the Mac. I'm holding down Option, and this is going to be favorite YouTube video below. If you don't have one, just make one up. And then most importantly, we would like to know about you. So we will create a box here that will be, let's see, if I create a text box right over here, and you can put your favorite YouTube video over there. We will create one other box over here, and this is about me. So I'm holding down Option and cloning that, and this is about me. I hope I get this right. If not, some of you will fix this up for me. Now, I'm going to take this and I'm going to clone this card 9 times. So I'll come over here and I will right mouse click and I will choose duplicate slide so it gets that exact slide 9 times. Just bear with me, I'll be real quick. It turns out there are 8 people in the course plus me, that makes 9. I want us each to own one card. I want to make this Google Doc presentation 3, 6, I'm losing track. I'm just going to start typing in. Okay, so the name here, the first person in the course is Barbara, and Barbara is from Washington, but she'll tell you more. And the next person in the course is Bob, and Bob is from Texas, and he'll tell you more. And the next person here is Joe, and Joe is from Florida, and she'll tell you more. Whoops, I messed up. You'll have to fix that up yourself, Joe. And you'll have to fix that up too, because I messed that up as well, sorry. And I think I left out Connor, so come over here and I'll do this right. Connor is from Texas. And then I think the next person is Lisa, And Lisa is, oops, I'm messing up, yikes, right? I'll let you fix this up yourself, folks. Lisa, and this is Lisa M. There are two Lisas in the course. So this is Lisa M, and Lisa M is from Texas. And the next person in the course is, that was Lisa M, so this is Lisa S. So Lisa S, and Lisa S is, hope I'm doing this right, is from New York. And then we have Terry, and I'm going to need more than one, so I better clone this. So I better duplicate that and duplicate one more. And I can barely breathe. I'm trying to go so fast here. So that's Lisa. That is Terry. Then Terry, by the way, is from Tennessee. And then we have after Terry, yikes, there's Terry. After Terry, we have Winnette. So I'm going to come here. Oh, wrong spot. Yikes, if I had a brain, I would have half a brain. Winnette, and Winnette is from Florida, and she'll tell you more. And now finally, I'll take the last one, Steve, and I am from New York, even though I hate New York and like Boston, and I will do that. Okay? So there we go. Now, what are you going to do? On each one of those, you're going to try to use your English language and write stuff about yourself. You can play with your own slide and do whatever you want. We will have a presentation when this is all done. I will obey my rule of naming and rename this, which is lesson 2, the group presentation. And today happens to be the 18th, so I'll say September 18th, but you won't get this till next Monday. I'm going to click OK, and if you don't know it, you have the ability to insert not just an image, but you have the ability to insert a video, and this is very cool. And I can even type in, there's something about monks and the first book, and that's one of my favorites. And the monk needs help opening a book, and I will choose select, and I will resize that, and I will put that down in that box. Feel free when you get your hands on this and changing things on your slide. So if you want to go and give yourself more room to write by doing that, that's totally fine. Right? There's nothing wonderful about this. Feel free to go up and change the background if you like, because maybe changing the background, right, would be useful. You can change your background or everybody's. I don't care. This is a group endeavor like our wiki. And what I want to do is give us a place to do significant things and also a way to get to know each other. Now, when I'm done with this, and obviously it'll be cool to just see what we each contribute. Oh, I need a picture. I think we should put a picture of each person here, right? Yikes. All right. Well, depending on how careful you are, right, in doing this, we will have another spot right over here and put your picture here if you are willing. I know some people don't want to, but if we're going to get to know each other and work together for 10 weeks, okay, and I wonder if I can copy that and put that in everybody's quickly. I can, and I'll do the rest later. All right, so let's get your picture on here. That would be insert image. Let's get you to take ownership of your slide. Let's, by the end of week 2, have something that has all have our names and things about ourselves. Okay, of course I need to share it, and this is my easy sharing trick. I change it to say anyone with the link can view it. So this is still going to be private, nothing to worry about, right? Larry Bird and Derek Jeter, right? And Hillary Clinton, nobody's going to have access to this because they don't have the link. Anyone can edit because we want all of you to do this. And now how do I get this to you? Well, as I told you last week, I come here and I copy that URL. I go under the file menu to a new tab or a new window. I go to my friend Tiny URL. Used to be friends with Tiny URL. Maybe Tiny URL doesn't like me anymore. And I paste in the long URL, and I will try to get away with group 33 as the name. Make that bigger so you could see it. Group 33, and it did not work. It got rejected. Somebody's already taken that. So I will try 33 lesson 2 and see if that's funky enough. Yes, it works. So therefore, that's going to be your URL, 33 lesson 2. Okay, I'll put all this on the notes so you'll have it and you'll see what your job is, and we'll have a good venture into a shared document that's going to be a presentation, and we'll watch each other's favorite videos and learn about each other. All right? I'm going to go. This is long enough. Sorry it wasn't, I made a few mistakes, but that's okay. Take care and have a good week, and let's see what we can produce together. Bye, everybody.